You know when your to-do list starts to feel really overwhelming and like, how in the world am I gonna possibly get all of this stuff done? Well, that's what today's tip is all about, helping you get things under control when it starts to feel like it's piling up. It's pretty easy to feel overwhelmed, but the trick is to set priorities so that you can get stuff done in manageable chunks. So I'd like to introduce you to your new best friend, Chat-GPT. If you haven't used it yet, it's a pretty cool tool. I promise it's not that scary. With just one prompt, you can turn your messy to-do list into a really clear, actionable plan for the day. You're gonna learn how to copy and paste a simple prompt into ChatGPT and then watch some magic happen. It will do the work of fine-tuning your priorities for the day and help you get a better idea of where to start.
You can actually use AI to help you set priorities and to just simply help you look at your list in a different way. I'm going to show you how to use a very simple prompt to ask ChatGPT to create priorities for you so that you can maybe tackle things a little bit easier. Open up ChatGPT. If you've never used it before, you can access it by going to chatgpt.com or openai.com, and you can use it for free. There are some pro versions, which are really great, but you can use the free version for this. One note about ChatGPT, you just have to get your prompts right by being very specific, telling ChatGPT who it is and what you want it to accomplish, and in what way you want it to accomplish. If you hit all three of those things, then you'll be able to use it pretty efficiently. I'm going to send you this prompt in the email that you got, but this is the prompt that you're going to send to ChatGPT. Just go ahead and copy and paste it into this work bar here. I have a long list of tasks and I'm feeling overwhelmed. I need help prioritizing what to do. Please ask me a few quick questions to understand what's urgent or important, then help me break the list down into 3 categories. So I've told it exactly what I need. I told it how I want to respond to me. And I have even, down at the bottom, I'm brand new to this, so go easy on me. Let's keep it simple. I have even told it, hey, give it to me in the most basic, easy format possible. So I've inserted the prompt, and now I'm going to hit Shift, Return. That'll make it so it doesn't send this prematurely to ChatGPT. And then I'm going to type in my list. All right, I've got my list. Now I'm ready to hit Enter. So you can hit Return or hit this button. The 3 questions it's asking me are, is there a deadline or consequence if it's not done today or tomorrow? Which of these tasks, if done, will move your life goals forward the most? I like that one. And is there anything on this list that could be skipped or done in a few days? So now it's just going to ask you to think critically a little bit more. Even just this exercise right here could help you figure out what to do next without even having to have ChatGPT do any more. But I'm going to go ahead and hit 1, and this will be enough for ChatGPT to understand your responses. So is there a deadline or consequence? Yes. Rachel's birthday is tomorrow. Number 2, which of these tasks, if done, move your life goals forward? Definitely apply for 3 online jobs. And number 3, is there anything on the list that could be skipped, done in a few days, headed off somewhere else? Yeah, my husband could mow the lawn. And the permission slips aren't due for 1 week. There we go. ChatGPT has everything it needs to help me set a priority list so I can get things done today, tomorrow, and later this week.
Pretty cool, huh? ChatGPT can be your secret weapon if you know how to prompt it. It can take a chaotic to-do list and turn it into a clear, actionable plan. And there's a lot of other use cases for it. This is just the beginning. So instead of feeling overwhelmed, you're gonna have a roadmap for success. Think of all the things you're gonna accomplish. This is the end of the 5-day automation video series. I hope you've enjoyed learning with us because we've really had a lot of fun learning with you. If you need any help or have any questions, you know where to find us.